karaoke is karaoke no more. Fuel pump took a dump on us yesterday, and so we've done the last 2 or 3 recoveries with the old trusty Nissan, my farm truck. And it doesn't take anything too fancy to run out here to the sand dunes and load up a 4-wheeler or a side-by-side with a little tilt bed. So it knows its way around out here. It's been out here plenty. So we're bouncing along. Got the air conditioning shut off, and it's a sultry 117 degrees. Boy howdy, it's a warm one today. But we got a little backup. My neighbor Rob's gonna follow us around to make sure I don't get into trouble, and he was looking for something to do, an excuse to get out of church, so we'll take you along for the ride. Guess what? I'm the only one dumb enough to be out here in the middle of the day in 117 degrees. But I got a job to do, so we're gonna go get her done, and might complain a little bit about the heat, but we're used to it. No worse for wear. Once we hit the main road, headed out, we can turn the air back on, and what a party. Shaylee won't help me anymore. She said her feet are too hot. She's wearing sandals on a job. Kind of like the Cambodians. They always wear sandals on the job. Pull the Jeep forward. Pull the truck forward. All right, well, I finally got that sucker loaded. It looked like it did an endo and landed in that hole right there and busted all that stuff up. And we got her all strapped down. We're gonna see if we can get her butts out of here before we melt. It's a little warm today, so see what we end up with. Old trusty trailer working out pretty good. Hey guys. He's gonna
got shoes on today because the sand's too hot to wear flip-flops.
The sand's too hot for work boots, but we're gonna work our way out of here nice and easy. We're gonna be moving right along. All right, well, we made it off the sand dunes, and man, that was a project in the old Nissan. But we're headed over here to Mad Moose Rentals to drop this thing off. If you guys ever need a rental, you can give old Spencer at Mad Moose Rentals a call and he'll fix you right up. Those guys do a pretty good job, and they got all kinds of different machines. You can get out here and enjoy yourselves. So thanks for coming along for the ride.